Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Marian Lakaba Balbin. I'm 32 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. My son is 8. My daughter is 6 and 1 year old.
Okay, what is your educational background?
High school, ma'am.
So do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am, in the Philippines.
How long did you work in the Philippines?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years. So what are your duties and responsibilities?
Taking care of the kids and cooking, washing dish, and
Okay, so how old is the kids that you take care?
uh, her daughter is 8 and her son is 6.
How many are they in the family?
4, ma'am.
4. So only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Both, ma'am.
Both. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have vision problems?
I have a astigmatism, ma'am.
Okay, so do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
First of all, my friends, Hong Kong is the highest salary, and this is, I want to work because my family helps to education.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.